guys, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. Greetings from Family Chef to you. Let's cook Gari Fotor. I'm dying to eat Gari Fotor long time. I have my Gari, I have my shrimps, ginger. I'm going to blend this Italian bell pepper, spring onions. I have another bell pepper. I have habanero pepper, onions, and spring onions. Now you can see my pepper is smooth. We need our fish. This is going to oven bake for 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes. Our fish is in the oven. We need 1 teaspoon of peanut butter. It's optional, please. You don't have to use peanut butter. We all know Gari and peanut is good. But let's put it aside. I have my palm oil. You can use regular oil if you don't have palm oil. That goes here. I have my momoni here, so I'm gonna put this on the fire. Now I'm blending my pepper. Onions goes here. So the onions and the momoni is going in too. Now I'm doing that to flavor the oil. We have our Gari here. 2 cups of Gari, okay? Okay, now the onions is good. Let's put some of the shrimps to the oil. I'm doing all this to flavor the palm oil. Sometimes the palm oil doesn't smell good. So I'm going to let it go for another 3 minutes. Meanwhile, the momoni is done. I need the momoni for something, okay? The momoni is going here. The oil is good. Now I'm going to scoop everything and go here. Scoop everything from the oil. It's all gonna go here. I need just the plain oil to do the Gari. Okay, now we bring the Gari back. Let's bring our palm oil. This is what we need. Pour it on top of the Gari. Good. Let's put it aside and bring those. Blending together. Meanwhile, our tilapia is in the oven. The same pan is going here. This time we need a lot of oil. You can use palm oil, but I prefer oil. The ginger is going in. We're going to let this ginger cook for 10 minutes. Then I will put the blended pepper, the blended Italian pepper. Now everything is smooth. The shrimp is not too smooth. It's been there, so when you are eating, you can get 1 shrimp in your mouth. Oh my God! Let's bring the Gari here. Let's put the peppers, the peanut butter, the onions, everything. Okay, now let's put this Gari back here. We are waiting for this ginger and garlic and onion to brown. Then I'll put my pepper. Do you remember my Italian pepper? Put it in here. That's going to bubble for another 15 minutes. Our sauce is cooked for 10 minutes. Let's add curry powder. 1 teaspoon or 1/4 teaspoon of baking curry powder. quarter teaspoon of complete seasoning. Let's add a pinch of salt because I didn't put any salt in gari, right? Because of the morning. We are making sauce for the fish, and this sauce a little bit will go to the gari too. Because let's put half of it to this pan for our fish. Let's add rest of it to here. This pepper, you can do it together, everything once. The pepper and the onion will brown. This is what I'm going to do to maybe garnish it. This will go for only 4 minutes. That's it. Add a little salt. Okay guys, my gari is ready. I have my avocado. I have my tilapia. This is called Gari Fotor boga nkasa. Tilapia no swallow do kama. It's a fish. Please and share the video. This is the end. Don't forget to be kind and nice to everyone. Family Chef.